Hi there, 8th graders. It's Mr. Kerr here, and we are looking at week 5, which is our Unit 3 Civil War test week. And this week's going to be a little bit different. First of all, main thing is that you do not have a weekly quiz, and you should not attempt the Unit 3 test on Monday. In fact, you won't even have access to it. So there is no quiz to take on Monday. So with that, let me go ahead and do the normal things like look at the suggested schedule, check your grades, all of that stuff. But as we get into week 5, specifically what we are going to be looking at here, go over the announcements first. In fact, let's go ahead and take a look at those. Here, and as it says, make sure you know that this week you do not have a quiz, a weekly quiz to take on Monday. So you do have a discussion board and then a reflection paragraph to turn in. These both should be done after you have done some review primarily over last week, but really the last 4 weeks of the Civil War. And then some more review stuff week 3, week 4, and 5 rolled together. And that's by Thursday, early morning Thursday, your Civil War test will open up. You only get 2 attempts at it. So please make sure you are ready and prepared to do that. And hopefully you're all set. But again, don't try and do the Civil War test until you have you've done these 2 assignments and really gone through the review process that this week points out to you. All right, so this is wrapping up Unit 3. Discussion board, and let me point out for you on the discussion board that you will be posting a full detailed paragraph of at least 5 sentences with an introduction, conclusion, detailed sentences as well, and specific facts, details, and quotes as your evidence. You only need to choose one of these 2 questions. You can do both if you want, but you only need to choose one. And then here's the rubric. Again, replies, you can agree or disagree with your classmate, but you need to explain why with support. So that means evidence and details to support your positions. So, and then same thing goes with the reflection paragraph that you will turn in, same thing. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Be seeing some of you on Wednesday. And with that, have a great week.